When it comes down to it, I'm going to tell you guys, we're in Q Studios. The reason this is Q Studios because if you want the best astrology, numerology app ever, then join Q. Just Q it. And like, for instance, Fresh. Let's say you're a monkey and you want to go to different places in the world that align with your energy. Well, Saudi Arabia is a monkey country, but you don't want to go through every country in the world and look up the dates.
Yeah.
That's why you put in a Q, and the Q AI will tell you exactly what cities, what states, what clothes, everything that matches. As a matter of fact, when we're done with this, I'll make sure you get that app. So that's what the Q app does. It does that.
You know what's crazy? You mentioned I was a monkey, and I was also in a monkey state.
Monkey country. And Monkey City, Miami.
And it's crazy because, like, I didn't understand what that really meant, but when I'm here, I feel happy. I feel at home. I feel peace.
Play the
Will Smith.
Play the Will Smith clip.
Yeah. I feel like I thrive here, and I go outside and network and meet people, make connections. Like, dude, in Miami, I'm loved. I got a lot of appreciation. People know who I am because I do good work. I add massive value. And as well, I feel at home here. I feel like I've been meant to be here my whole life. So for me, it's more like I should be here, and I feel good being here. So I like it.
I told you this before. I don't think you would have made it any other place.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's one of the things. Timing is everything in life. There's a lot of smart people in the world. We'll never know their names, but we know Genghis Khan's name. We know Julius Caesar's name. We know Augustus Caesar's name. By the way, my role model, the only benevolent dictator in world history. We know these people's names because they were at the right place at the right time.
All right, here we go. Clip.
I don't think that's it, is it?
This is it. Yeah.
No, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, no, is it?
No. Go to Q.
It's the one with
Go to the Q app.
Will Smith himself.
Because you're gonna have to find it. Can you go to the Q app and find it for him? It's no, it's on IG, the Q account. It will be on there.
That was a very empowering video.
Yeah, bro, that was like one of the.
I know Will gets a lot of hate. Will Smith gets a lot of hate. Listen, I get it. He made a mistake with his girl. But him as an actor, as a person,
Good actor.
Like, I've only heard good things about him.
Well, I mean, he simps for his wife. Who's still in love with Tupac.
That was his L, 100%.
That's a big L,
That was
bro.
a huge L.
That's a big L.
Huge L. But I'm saying him as an individual.
Can you recover from that?
Wait, hold on. But the career Will Smith that we know today, legend.
Yeah.
That major fuck up.
What was his first movie?
I know him from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
6 Degrees of Separation.
Really?
That was his first movie.
There you go.
You know what it was about?
No.
I
do not.
Yeah, let's just say he might have needed knee pads for that part.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was his first movie.
Hell nah, bro.
The Q app on IG, it should be on there. It's such a great video. I think we should play it since we're talking about Will Smith. Absolutely awesome.
Is that it?
Go to the Q app. Yep. Find the one where it's about Will Smith. There couldn't have been that many videos. All right, play it from the start. This is an awesome video.
That was the first time I ever noticed how places have vibrations that register with people. For whatever reason, when I'm in Miami, I need less sleep. I feel better. Like I can wake up early. I can work out. Everything. Miami just agrees with me spiritually and vibrationally and emotionally. And I just believe places have that for certain people, and it's an X factor. You just don't know why a place agrees with you.
We do.
Powerful, man.
Born in the monkey year. Miami's a monkey. There you go. Powerful video, man.
Amazing.